What's the meaning of copperplate? Copperplate. Copperplate.
Copperplate. Copperplate. Copperplate refers to a style of handwriting characterized by elegant, fluid strokes that are slightly slanted and have consistent thickness throughout. It is often used for formal invitations, diplomas, and other high-end materials. The name comes from the fact that the original plates used to create copperplate engravings were also used to print the script. The result of using copperplate handwriting is a sophisticated and timeless look that conveys a sense of refinement and attention to detail. It requires skill and practice to master, but the end result is always impressive.